How to make taskbar smaller on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to change the size or resize the taskbar, here is a quick fix for this. So first of all, you need to open the registry editor. Then after, you have to go to HKey current user and go for the folder called as software. Under software, search for Microsoft folder. And under Microsoft, you need to go to Windows. Under Windows, you have to search for current version. And under current version, you have to go to Explorer. Under Explorer folder, you will see Advanced folder. On the right side of the screen, you will see different dword folders. We have to create a similar one. So for this, right click and click on New. After that, select dword 32-bit value. This will create a new file and name it as taskbar si. Now set the value as 0, which could mean smaller. Similarly, 1 could mean medium and 2 could mean large. So once you have made these changes, make sure to restart the device, which will then incorporate all the changes. And you will notice that the taskbar has been smaller. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.